Mohbad must have been buried alive. Shocking revelations in Mohbad case raised critical questions about his death. In a surprising turn of events, new information has come to light regarding the tragic demise of Nigerian singer Mohbad. Recent developments suggest that Mohbad may not have been deceased when he was initially laid to rest, prompting an urgent investigation into the circumstances surrounding his untimely passing. Welcome to Digi Niger, where we bring you the latest stories. Remember to like, share, and follow us. This is very important. You need to share as much as you can. Share. According to sources close to the investigation, Mohbad has suffered severe physical abuse prior to his arrival at the hospital. Despite being in a critical condition, he was administered painkillers upon admission. However, the plot thickened when his body was exhumed at a later date, revealing the presence of fresh blood. Can you imagine that? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tá a gbọ́, wọ́n ní Mohbad ò mà tí kú o nígbà tí wọ́n sin. Wọ́n ní nọ́ọ̀sì tó wà ní hospital tí wọ́n gbé Mohbad lọ. Wọ́n ní wọ́n ti lu arákùnrin Mohbad, wọ́n ti lù ní àlùbami débi pé ẹ̀mí ti fẹ́ bọ́ lára rẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n bọ́lọ́run ó ṣe ṣe ẹ̀mí ò tí ì bọ́ lára rẹ̀ tó fi di pé wọ́n ní láti fún ní abẹ́rẹ́ painkiller. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé Mohbad ti kú ní tòótọ́ nígbà tí wọ́n gbé dé hospital, ní kí ló fà á tí wọ́n ṣe tí wọ́n á rí fresh blood níbi tí wọ́n ti hú òkú ẹ̀ jáde fún autopsy? Ìbéèrè yìí làwọn èèyàn béèrè, kí ló dé tí wọ́n sáré lọ sí àwọn èèyàn ní wọ́n ní láti mú bàbá ẹ̀ dáadáa. Níta ni dókítà tó fún wọn ní sàtífíkẹ́ẹ̀tì pé ó ti kú? Dókítà wo ló pronounce ẹ̀ dead? Ìbéèrè yìí àti ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ béèrè míì làwọn èèyàn ń béèrè lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú tó pa Mohbad àti àwọn tó pa á. Suspicion was further fueled by eyewitness account of Mohbad's distress during transportation to the hospital. While he cried out in pain, his companions remained conspicuously silent. This is referring to the boys that are suspected to be Naira Marley's agent. In a perplexing twist, it was reported that Mohbad's father gave consent for his immediate burial, citing an earache as the reason. Following a live performance, Mohbad was subjected to a brutal assault. Immediately after the live performance, he was beaten blue-black, leaving him severely injured. Astonishingly, he was still alive when he was admitted to the hospital, and this raises questions about the gravity of that assault. Allegations have arisen suggesting that efforts were made to ensure he did not regain consciousness during the night, including the manipulation of his neck. Naira Marley, a prominent figure in the Nigerian music scene, has confirmed that Mohbad had not engaged in any altercations before the incident, despite his tough upbringing in Ikorodu. The delayed response from law enforcement, from the police particularly, has only deepened the mystery surrounding Mohbad's death. Some voices in the community suggest a sinister pattern of targeting individuals in the music industry, with unverified reports of drug-related associations among Naira Marley's associates. To shed light on this tragic incident, his body has been exhumed at Kiletu Ijede Ikorodu with the aim of uncovering the truth behind his passing. Furthermore, traditionalists have expressed their outrage and have placed curses on Naira Marley and Sam Larry, insinuating that dark secrets lurk within the music industry.
wọ́n ní ìgbàkúgbà báyìí ni wèrè pé ń gbọ̀n wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ tí ewúrẹ́ ò mọ́wọ́ tí ò mẹsẹ̀ ló máa ń kú lílé lórí. Naira Marley àti Sam Larry bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe pa ìmọ́lẹ̀ Mohbad yẹn láti nílò ìmọ́lẹ̀ òní sínú ayé yín. àṣẹ. bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ń tọrọ jẹ.
Rumors have surfaced suggesting the involvement of artists like Olamide, Naira Marley, Don Jazzy and Wizkid in an alleged occult group, with their signees unwittingly becoming part of it. Former signees of Olamide have come forward recounting instances of mistreatment, while the dissolution of Don Jazzy's transformer group, Mohit, has raised questions about the conditions faced by artists in the industry. Korede Bello's abrupt departure from the industry at the peak of his career has also drawn attention, with a resurfaced video from 2017 accusing Wizkid of maintaining a shrine and consulting oracles before signing new musicians, as revealed during a radio interview. An eyewitness present at the hospital during Mohbad's arrival has now provided crucial information, asserting that Mohbad was indeed alive upon his arrival. The witness noticed a sudden flurry of activity in the hospital room where Mohbad had been admitted, culminating in the shocking declaration of his death. Curiously, despite being shirtless, Mohbad's friends hastily removed his seemingly lifeless body. In the aftermath of Mohbad's exhumation, a video circulated on social media revealing a pool of blood near the head of the late singer in his coffin. Witnesses expressed shock and grief, strongly suggesting the possibility that Mohbad was buried alive. Remarkably, there was no detectable odor emanating from Mohbad's grave, adding to the intrigue. Medical experts have speculated on the presence of fresh blood, theorizing that it could be attributed to limited exposure to air in the sealed grave or potential injuries sustained by Mohbad, such as broken vessels. The public outcry surrounding these revelations has intensified, with demands for a thorough investigation into the circumstances surrounding Mohbad's death. As the nation awaits answer, questions surrounding the shocking events continue to mount, leaving many eager for a comprehensive and transparent inquiry. Meanwhile, the Senate Committee on Entertainment Economy, led by its chairman, Senator Elisha Abo, has paid a condolence visit to the late Ilerioluwa Oladimeji Aloba, aka Mohbad's family. Abo, who was accompanied by Nollywood actress Tonto Dike, visited and commiserated with Mohbad's mother, as seen in the video. During the visit, Mohbad's mother restated what she knows about the death of her son.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ ṣàánú mi àti àwọn tó lọ fún ní omi, ó sọ fún mi, ó fún ní bottle water, àwọn ND kìíní kan mi mọ̀ bí mo ṣe fẹ́ sanwó, wọ́n fún ní bottle water omi, ó ní bottle water yẹn lòun mu mọ́ mi, ó ní trust me, mo ní I trust you, ó ní ṣe bí mo mọ̀ mo ní yẹn, mo ní mo ti béèrè mọ́ bottle water, ó ní wọ́n fún òun ní omi yẹn, ó ní torí wọ́n ṣe threat òun jọ yẹn, òun wá tó ń ti fẹ́ ra omi, ó ní wọ́n wá dẹ̀ gbé bọ́ omi yẹn fún bottle water lòun wá mu, ó ní tó ń ṣe mu bottle water yẹn, ó ní community bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe òun, ó ní òun ò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe òun mọ́, ó ní ọmọ mi máa kí ọ́ ti tẹ́ ẹ̀, mo máa nà tó bá ti lọ sí show tó yẹ kó lọ kò ní lè lọ, ó máa nà ni, àti Samilari mi mẹ́ni tó ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀, mi mọ̀ ọkàn ṣùgbọ́n mo ti rí báyìí, ẹ ti promise mi, ẹ bá mi wá náírà jáde o, náírà jáde jọ, ó fọmọ mi ṣẹrú ni títí ìbọn mi wá jáde, gbogbo àti ọmọ mi wà lọ́dọ̀ náírà kò fún mi ní owó kankan o, àfìgbà tó kọ̀ ẹ jọ, ẹ bá mi wá jáde. Ọmọ mi ló máa sọ pé kí má jẹ́ kán pa mí, èmi náà máa sọ pé mo mọ̀yàn, pé tí mo bá lọ bá èèyàn kan wọ́n máa ní kí má jẹ́ kán pa mí, pé kí n jọ kí má jẹ́ kán pa mí, ọ̀rọ̀ pé kán má pa mí ló sọ títí tó fi kú.
Drop your comments. Remember to follow us for more stories. Like, comment and share. This is Digi Niger. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.